Hello, YouTube friends! Today, we will learn how to make this beautiful little paper airplane. It is an excellent glider. We will make the folds indicated by this diagram. Take a rectangular sheet of paper and fold it in half along. Match the edges carefully so that we have the central line. This will help us to get a symmetrical airplane. Open the paper sheet. Match the upper right edge with the central line and press the fold. Do the same on the left side. Take the upper vertex and put it near the bottom edge. This distance must be approximately the same than this distance. Again, match the upper right edge with the center line and press the fold. And do the same on the left side. Now, take this little triangle upward. Press very well to keep the previous folds in place. Bend the airplane backwards, match the edges carefully, and press the fold. Now, the next fold will define the width of wings. Match the upper edge with the lower edge carefully and press the fold. This way, the wings are middle width. Turn the airplane and do the same on the other side. Open the wings, and here we have our airplane. If we want wider wings, we have to make the fold a little closer to the lower edge. This way. Here we have two airplanes with different wings width. These airplanes are excellent gliders, and we can try many things with them to see how they fly better. We can change the inclination of the wings down or up. We can launch them in different angles. And we can try how much force to use to launch them. I hope this video serves you and that you have a lot of fun launching your airplanes to fly. Subscribe, enjoy, and share this video with your friends.